Steps to install curtains. First step, unpack the curtain track. Remove the packaging from the curtain track and inspect all components. Step 2, lay out and align the tracks. Spread out both sides of the curtain tracks. Adjust and align the linkage points to connect the tracks properly. Step 3, connect the tracks. Use the connecting components to link the two sides of the track into one continuous piece. Secure the connection by fastening screws on the back side of the track. Step 4, attach clips to the track. Install the clips onto the back of the track, ensuring they are evenly spaced for proper support. Step 5, mount the track. Position the track in the installation area. Use screws to secure it firmly in place. At this point, the track installation is completed. Step 6, install and power the curtains. Attach the curtain panels one by one onto the track, ensuring they are aligned and neat. Finally, connect the wiring to a power source. Your motorized curtain system is now ready for use.